Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Nissan Juke step by step. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then warm the engine only briefly and allow it to cool until safe to touch. Lay out all tools and supplies so nothing is missing, including the correct oil grade and a new oil filter. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep rags handy for spills. Begin by raising the front of the car safely on ramps or jack stands and ensure the vehicle is stable. Slide the drain pan under the oil pan and carefully loosen the drain plug with the correct socket, keeping your hands clear of hot metal. Remove the plug and let the oil flow until it slows to a drip, which can take several minutes depending on oil temperature and viscosity. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh cabin scent that pairs nicely with post-service driving. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check them out if you want. Now let's get back to the video. After the oil has drained, remove the old filter using an oil filter wrench and be prepared for more oil to spill. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and install the filter by hand until it seats, then give it a firm quarter to half turn. Replace the drain plug with a new washer, lower the car, and refill the engine with the correct oil quantity as specified in your manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.